Param Shanti. I'm Sakshi and I welcome you all to Bapuji's official channel, Bapuji Dashrathai Patel. So, today we will be talking about how to detach ourselves from the old matrix. Detach from the old matrix. The matrix exists only if you believe in it. So, stop feeding the system of fear and manipulation. So, let's talk about this. The old world is collapsing. We all are experiencing this. The old world is collapsing and the new earth is emerging. The choice is yours. Do you continue playing in the system designed to enslave you? Or do you rise above and awaken and reclaim your infinite consciousness? Your energy is your power. Withdraw it from the illusion and step into the truth. Are you ready to break free? The shift is now. Detach from the old matrix. Stop feeding the system. The old matrix is a false reality built on fear, control, and limitations. It thrives on keeping human consciousness trapped in the low vibrations. At the majority of time, we are living in the low frequency, low vibrations. That's what old matrix is giving us, making people believe that they are weak, dependent, and separate from their divine nature. To fully evolve into higher dimensions, we must detach from this system and stop feeding it with our energy, emotions, and belief. But how do we do this? This is the question. So, what is the old matrix? A programmed illusion that keeps humanity stuck in fear, materialism, and divisions. It operates through government, media, educations, religion, and the financial system, reinforcing the ideas like that you are a body, denying your soul power, you need external validation, social approval over inner truth. Fear is necessary, that is, war, crisis, disease, and scarcity. Success is equal to material plus wealth, separation and duality, that is, race, gender, nationality, class, etc. The more we believe in this all system, the more power it has over us. So again, choice is yours. Free will has been given to us. So choice is our that whether we have to operate on this old matrix or we want to enter into the new shift. Okay, so how does the matrix feed on you? The matrix cannot survive without energy, and it feeds on your fear, stress, and attention. Wherever your attention goes, there the energy flows. Okay, so here how it manipulates and drains us, how the old matrix, how the matrix is draining our energy. Let's understand that. Fear-based media and propaganda. News constantly spread war, diseases, economic collapse, and social conflicts. It creates a sense of powerlessness and dependency. The more you react emotionally, the more energy you give to the system. Toxic social system. Financial debt, traps keep you working endlessly without spiritual fulfillment. So where our life is heading, where our life are heading towards just completing our financial debt, but we are nowhere heading towards spiritual fulfillment. Education and careers focus on survivals, not creativity or soul growth. Politics keeps people divided, choosing sides in the game and they don't control. Artificial desire and distraction, this is again a very important point, where our energy is drained and our energy is actually suck. That is entertainment, consumerism, celebrity culture, all keeping us focused outward. So our majority of our time is towards outward. I mean, we are living towards outward. You are programmed to buy, chase, and compare rather than seek inner peace, right? Next point is food, water, and energy control. That is, processed foods, chemical, low vibration energy is obtained by all these things. Fluoride in the water blocks our pineal gland, intuition centers. Stress and unhealthy living weaken our ability to access higher consciousness. So, how to detach? Now, coming to the point, how to detach from the old matrix. Master your mind. First of all, this is the important point that you have to master your mind. Stop reacting emotionally. When you see fear based news, social drama, or political chaos, observe it without emotional involvement. Does this serve my biggest or highest growth? If not, ignore it. It's very simple. Simple that if it is sucking your energy, if it is draining your energy, and if it is not serving you, towards your higher goal, higher growth, and higher soul consciousness, then just ignore it. Take back your attention. Where focus goes, energy flows. Simple. Stop watching mainstream media and mindless entertainment. What entertainment is giving us? It is just mindless. It empty your mind. It just invest your mind, invest your time in reading, meditating, creating, and self-healing. Be selective about what enters your consciousness. Very important. You have to choose what you are allowing, what should enter into your consciousness. Reject fear and cultivate inner peace. The system controls through fear, so become fearless. Meditation, breath work, and nature connection help break fear based thinking. Disconnect from the material trap. Focus on spiritual wealth, not material accumulation. Find joy in simplicity, creativity, and human connection rather than external validation. Eat and drink consciously and healthy. Upgrade your physical body. Organic food, structured sunlight, water, and fasting raise your frequency. Avoid toxins. Step into your divine power. This is again very important. Become your own creator. So, what this say is, you are not just an observer, you are your co-creator of your reality. Live by intuition, not by rules. Break free from the belief systems that limit your potential. So, you are limitless. Always remember that break that rule, break free from that belief system that make you believe that you are limited. You are unlimited edition. Okay, you are unlimited edition. So this is it for now. So if you like this video, share the video with all your friends and family. Join with us with this great divine mission of transformation, dimensional shift, know yourself, learn meditation with us. We daily conduct meditation on this channel between 10 to 11. And daily live meditation is conducted on our other channel, Param Shanti Motivation and Meditation, between 5:30 to 6:30. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel. You can go and check our playlist, English playlist, wherein you will find a lot of other videos on different topics, on different spiritual grounds. Okay, so thank you so much. Param Shanti.
Join us daily for our morning live meditation, Monday to Saturday, 5:30 to 6:30 a.m.
Join us daily for live meditation, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. on YouTube Live. Subscribe now. Website www.paramshanti.org. Email us anand@paramshanti.org. Like, share, subscribe. Join today.
बेहद की परम शांति सो